Welcome back to This Bytes for You. Today's video is a little bit different than usual, kind of a backstory. Back in 2013, I started writing for Dragon Blogger. The owner, Justin, is a great friend of mine, and so I've been reviewing for him for a long time. I still kind of do. So I needed to start doing video editing for all of the product I was reviewing. Justin gave me Camtasia, and it was cool, but it would crash all the time. So in 2016, after so many crashes, I was working on a huge project, crashed, I lost everything. I got so frustrated with it. I wanted to find something different. So Justin found Wondershare Filmora for me. So I started playing with it. So then in 2016, I did a review on it and I fell in love with it. I've been using it since. So since 2016 till today, I've been using Wondershare, and they just came out with Wondershare 10 on their 10th year anniversary. Mind you, I didn't start with them from the beginning, but pretty close to it. So as a longtime member or customer, should I say, of Filmora, I've done a lot of recommendations on things they can do on improving their software. You can do it too if you own Filmora. If not, you can check it down below in the description, my affiliate link for Filmora. You could try it free for 30 days or so. If you like it, you could buy it, not rent it like Adobe Premiere or anything. You could buy it, it's yours. That being said, since version 6, every time they come out with an update, I update to it for free because I paid for the lifetime subscription. They have a lot of cool stuff, but anyway, back to this. On their 10th year anniversary, they wanted to reach out to a bunch of the people that have been using their software, making recommendations and testing and all that good stuff. I was one of them. So they sent me this care package and they wanted me to go over it on film. It's still sealed. I have not opened it. I got it yesterday. So anyway, come over here real quick. Let's see what's inside. I'm super excited. So here she is again, plain DHL box. I'm excited because I really don't know what's inside. They said it was a care package for being a great customer and loyal customer. And the loyal part is easy because the software just works. Great customer, I mean, I guess. I bought it. So, no way. I kind of opened it. I don't want to ruin it. I want to make sure. Okay, nothing else in here. So, Wondershare Filmora, hit play on your imagination. The big old X for 10, and nothing else down here. I love this box. I like boxes. I'm a box guy. All right, so open it here. Sweet. So, imagination pin. No, sorry. Imagination pin. All right. And I'm going to put this aside just for right now. Look at that. A Wondershare 10 or X hat. Hit play on your imagination. Wondershare Filmora. I really love this software, guys. That's what I do all of my edits on. What is? Oh, this is a shirt, I think. Ooh, I gotta put this on. Hold on. Well, first off, before I put it on, oh, look at that. It's got the shinies right over here, the reflection. Big old X on the sleeve, Wondershare Filmora. They really went all out with this. Wondershare, I'm not gonna show you the size. All right, let me put it on. And I'll show it to you as soon as I'm done with the rest of the unboxing. Okay, it's a little tight. I'll show you that in a second. Then the 10 or X. So I guess like that. Yeah, I guess. Okay. And let's see. Ooh, it's in a felt bottom too. This is a really nice box. foam. I like it. And then hit play on your imagination. It's been 10 years since Wondershare Filmora launched in 2010, and thanks to our amazing users like you, we're still going strong. You inspire and challenge us to keep imagining. We couldn't do it without you. Thanks again, and don't forget to show off your gift. Use Filmora Reimagine and tag Filmora blah blah blah. We really want to see them. Happy creating. Team Filmora. Have you tried our latest upgrade? I have, and it's awesome. So, pretty awesome, isn't it? For a company to give you a hat, give you a shirt, give you a bunch of pins, give you an awesome box and a thank you letter on their 10th year anniversary. They didn't have to do all of this. They just could have said, hey, 10 years, awesome. Give me more money. You know, but they actually spent money on me and a bunch of other people as well. And it is amazingly awesome to feel cared about. And you know, that's pretty awesome. I give them a lot of recommendations. You can do that from within the software. A feature you want, go for the feature request, but it's got a ton of features. Just came out with motion tracking, audio ducking, a ton of awesome features. They've had Greenscreen forever. You could do a ton of stuff with their software. I may not be the best editor around, but I've grown right along with Filmora all the way from version 6 till version 10. I didn't have to pay for those. I paid for version 6. I got 7, 8, 9, 10 for free, and everything, all the minor updates in between. So that is pretty awesome. Now, the machine behind me, super powerful machine. I just did a build for it. AMD 3900 XT, 32 gigs of RAM, an EVGA 3090 FTW Ultra Gaming. I'm gonna start doing editing on that one soon, but I've been using that machine over there that has an 8700K with a 2080, 32 gigs of RAM as well. Maybe that one has 16, but they've both been amazing for 4K editing, 1080p editing as well, 2K, whatever you want to do. You don't need an amazingly powerful machine. They have their system specs on the site. And if you want to check out the software, down in the description below, I have a link where you can give it a try. You can also buy it from there as well. It is an affiliate link. I don't know if I've sold any yet, but I'll probably get like $1, but whatever, they've been awesome to me, providing me this awesome software, all the updates. And X just came out, what, 2 days ago, 3 days ago? And I've already been playing with it. It's amazing. So I can't say enough good things about Wondershare Filmora. Their software is amazing. They not only have this, they have a bunch of other stuff as well. But again, check it down in the description below. I have a link for you guys as well. This is pretty awesome. Thank you, Filmora. Happy 10th year anniversary on Wondershare. It is an amazing product. I know a bunch of others love it as well. So keep on rocking, and thanks for stopping by ThisBytesForYou. I appreciate you so much. See you guys.